Operating a rudder scanner is essential for maintaining a ship's stability and navigation, but it comes with its own set of potential hazards that every crew member needs to be aware of. Let's dive into the electrification risks first. These systems rely on electrical components, and any malfunction can lead to serious safety issues. Always ensure that the electrical connections are secure and regularly inspected. A loose wire or a short circuit can not only disrupt the scanner's functionality but also pose a risk of electric shock to the crew. Now let's talk about electromagnetic radiation exposure. Rudder scanners emit electromagnetic fields, which while generally safe can become a concern with prolonged exposure. Crew members working near these devices should limit their time in close proximity and utilize protective gear when necessary. It's crucial to be aware of the recommended safety distances and to follow the manufacturer's guidelines to minimize exposure. Maintenance is another critical area where safety practices come into play. Regular checks and servicing of the rudder scanner are vital. This includes cleaning the components and ensuring that all systems are functioning correctly. A well-maintained scanner not only performs better, but also reduces the risk of accidents. Always follow the lockout/tagout procedures when performing maintenance to prevent accidental activation. Health risks associated with operating a rudder scanner can also arise. Prolonged exposure to electromagnetic radiation can lead to headaches, fatigue, and other health issues. It's important for crew members to monitor their health and report any symptoms to the ship's medical officer. Regular health checkups can help catch any potential issues early on. In addition to these risks, proper training cannot be overstated. Every crew member should be trained on the safe operation of the rudder scanner, including emergency procedures in case of a malfunction. Knowledge is power, and understanding how to respond to potential hazards can save lives. By being proactive about these safety measures, we can ensure that the rudder scanner continues to be the unsung hero of our navigation systems while keeping the crew safe and healthy. Remember, safety is not just a checklist, it's a culture that we all need to embrace on board.